Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Gran Turismo 7. First, you'll need to unlock the multiplayer features by progressing through the single-player campaign. Specifically, complete Menu Book 9, titled Tokyo Highway Parade, in the GT Cafe. This usually takes a few hours of gameplay. Once unlocked, the multiplayer pavilion will appear on your world map, ready for you to explore various racing options. For local fun, Gran Turismo 7 offers split-screen racing. On PlayStation 5, up to 4 players can join, while PlayStation 4 supports 2 players. Simply select 2-player split screen from the multiplayer pavilion. Ensure each participant has their own controller connected. The first player will manage all race settings, including track selection, number of laps, and car options, before the race begins. To race with friends or other players online, head to the lobby section within the multiplayer pavilion. Here, you can create your own room or join an existing one, accommodating up to 20 racers. You can set up different race types, such as a casual free run or a structured practice and race session. There's also an option to filter lobbies, making it simple to find rooms hosted by your friends. For serious competition, Sport Mode is your destination, found in its own pavilion on the world map. This mode features daily races, online time trials, and official championships like the Nations Cup. Your performance here affects your driver rating and sportsmanship rating, which are used for matchmaking. Races are held frequently, often every 10 minutes, allowing you to consistently test your skills against similarly ranked opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.